Footing. Types of footing. A footing is a part of the foundation that helps support the foundation so that the structure does not settle. Difference between footing and foundation. The foundation is a general expression for structural elements that supports the superstructure as well as the supporting soil. While the footing is represented the shallow structural element that supports the superstructure. A structure which transfers the load from the superstructure to this ground. The foundation which is in contact with the earth. Foundation provides support to the entire building. Where footing supports two individual columns. Foundation are of two types, shallow and deep foundation. Footing is a type of shallow foundation. All foundations can't be footing. But all footings are foundations. Main functions of foundations. Distribution of loads. Stability against sliding and overturning. Minimize differential settlement. Safe against undermining. Provide level surface. Minimize distress against soil movement. Types of foundation. Shallow. Isolated, combined, raft or mat, and strip or wall foundation. Deep or a pile. Precast, and cast in situ. Isolated footing. Footing which are provided under each column independently are called as isolated footings. They are usually square, rectangular or circular in section. Flat or pad or plane footing. These kind of footings are generally square or rectangular or circular in shape which are provided under each column independently. It is circular, square or rectangular slab of uniform thickness. Stepped footing. Footings are stacked upon one another as steps. Sloped footing. Sloped footings are trapezoidal footings. They are designed and constructed with great care to see that the top slope of 45 degrees is maintained from all sides. Shoe, or eccentric footing. This is the half cut out from the original footing and has a shape of shoe. Combined footing. A footing which has more than one column is called as combined footing. This kind of footing is adopted when there is a limited space. Raft or mat footing, when number of column in more than one row, provided with a combined footing, the footing is called mat or raft foundation. When soil bearing capacity is less than 24 knots per cubic meter. Strip or wall footing. It is a strip-type footing which follows the path of superstructure wall. Deep foundation. Deep foundations or pile foundations. If the depth of a foundation is greater than its width, the foundation laid is known as deep foundation. The depth-to-width ratio is usually greater than 4 to 5. A pile is a long vertical load-transferring member made of timber, steel or concrete. Pile foundation varies into two types. Cast in situ, and precast. Cast in situ piles. The piles which are casted on site. The cast in situ concrete piles are generally used for maximum design loads of 750 kilonewtons per cubic meter. Precast piles. Precast piles are casted at factory and transported to the site. The length of precast concrete piles varies from 4.5 meter to 30 meter. The precast concrete piles are generally used for a maximum design load of about 800 kilonewton, except for large pre-stressed piles. For further information hit the subscribe button and feel free to share with your friends. Thank you.